Hello and welcome to Sounds English with me, Betty. Today's word is dizzy, dizzy, dizzy. Literally, it means that your head is spinning and you feel faint, you may feel sick, but your head is spinning and whirling. It feels like the room is moving and you're not. It's the feeling of vertigo. Pronunciation, it has two syllables. Diz-zy, diz-zy. Both vowel sounds are quite short. Diz-zy, dizzy, dizzy. The stress is on the first sound. Dizzy, dizzy, dizzy. Say it by yourself. Excellent. If you feel physically dizzy, that is a negative feeling. You are ill, you do not feel well. However, we often use it to describe feeling excited. So I feel dizzy with excitement because it's Friday and I don't have to work at the weekend. Or, I can't believe it, I've got tickets to see Harry Styles in concert. I'm dizzy with excitement. Oh, I feel dizzy. I can't wait. So to recap, physically, literally, you feel dizzy is negative, it's bad. Emotionally, you feel dizzy, it's good, it's positive, you're excited. There we are. Thank you very much for listening. I'm here every day with a high frequency, very commonly used English word, phrase or expression. So if you would like to subscribe, that would be fantastic, or give me a thumbs up or leave a comment in the comment section under the video. So thank you very much again and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.